how to fix Steam game patching games for too long. So if you want to fix Steam game patching games for too long, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply right click on your task bar and then go with Task Manager, or you can also press Ctrl Alt and delete keys simultaneously. A menu will pop up and from there you can select your Task Manager. This tool allows you to see all the programs currently running on your computer. Once the Task Manager is open, you need to locate the Steam application in the list of running programs. It's usually displayed fairly prominently, like in my case, it's right here. Due to its memory consumption during updates or downloads, once you found it, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. If you see any other Steam services running right here, you need to click on End Task and end the task of Steam. Close it entirely. This ensures that any processes that might be causing a hang-up will be completely shut down. Right after closing Steam, you'll want to reopen it and log back in. This fresh restart will resolve any temporary glitches that were occurring. It's a simple step and often effective when troubleshooting. Now go back and then again open up your Steam. Now after opening your Steam, you just need to simply go with Steam, which is on the top left, and then go with Settings. Now under Settings, you need to go with the Download section. And under Downloads here, you will have an option of Clear Cache. Under your Clear Download Cache, you need to go with Clear Cache. Clearing this cache helps refresh the download pipeline, eliminating any potentially corrupted files that might be causing the patching delays. Next, you need to go with Library and select the game in which you are struggling. Or you can just simply go with Library, which is on the top left, and here you have your games, right? This will bring up a context menu. From this, you need to right-click on the game in which you are facing the problem, and then select Properties. Navigate to the Install Files section. This is where you'll find the Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Click on this. What this does is essentially cross-check all the files in the game against what Steam expects them to be. It will replace any corrupted or missing files, which often fixes patching issues. Finally, after completing the verification, the last step is to restart your Steam and it will fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.